course, ang kanilang bathroom. So, you have your toilet bowl, you have your own telephone, towels, bidet, tissue, and I'm wearing their bathrobe. Meron kang mirror, parang sira na siya. Hindi siya gumagana. And you have your toiletries. Yan. And then may massage sila na ino-offer din. Yan guys, 1,000 pesos, 1,100. And then you have your, okay, it's not working. Wala. Design lang siya guys. Tapos meron kayong para sa blower. Nitro kasi ng blower guys. Then ito ang kanilang shower area. Meron, uy, ito yung guys, napansin ko yung crimson sa Boracay tsaka yung crimson dito sa Alabang. Pares yung kanilang ginagamit na brand. Hindi ko alam kung paano yan i-pronounce. Spa? Spa? I don't know. You judge. So, that's the bathroom, guys. Wala silang, tulad sa Japan. Then, ito ang kanilang cabinet. You have your own safety box para sa inyo mga may drawers ka na 4 na peraso. Yan. You can use that. You have your own full body mirror. Yan. Full body mirror mo. And dito, para sa clothes mo, you can have your clothes, like slippers. And if you want the laundry, meron itong kanilang laundry basket. Tapos pwede ko mag-plancha. Yan guys. And then here, itong aming king size bed. That's our king size bed. So here you have your own table. I don't know. It's like a bar. Kasi meron, may kape, may drink kape. And then you have your own, tapos yung water, may water dispenser sa labas. Pwede kang mag-init ng tubig. Here in the right side, left side, meron lang telephone, ganyan. And then may mga drawer, meron lang saksakan, and then dito, extra storage. Here guys, sa kabila, ang laki ng space. Ang daming pwedeng paglagyan ng mga gamit. May mga drawers sila. Yan, kung marami kayong gamit, yan, pwede yung gamitin. Meron kayong long. Yan, itong malaking TV. Another drawer, basurahan. You have your own TV. Malaki yung, table. Another table. Then, guys, meron silang maliit lang na side table and one chair. And this kabila, same lang kung ano meron. And this is our view. And another cabinet. Cabinet ba to? Hindi ko alam. So, this is our view, guys. So, guys, pwede ka rin dito, mag-emote-emote. Guys, yung ganito lang. Emote-emote ka lang dito. Pwede ka umupo. Yan lang guys. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel and like this video. And guys, kung magbubo kayo ng hotel, gamitin nyo yung aming code na Heartbeat Look. You can avail 5% off sa mga ibubok nyo na activities via. Well, thank you for watching. Bye-bye!